Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable and disable the search suggestion in Copilot on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you need to launch the Copilot on your Windows PC like this, and then here you can get 3 lines option. Just click on it. From here open the settings. In the settings go to more options like this, and then here you can get the option search suggestions. If you want to disable it, just you need to uncheck this option. If you want to enable it, just you need to check this box, okay, like this, and then click on save button. That's it. It will apply the changes on your Copilot. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.